What's going on, everybody? Let's take a quick look at Tesla. Another phenomenal day on this thing right off the open. Touched $1,094.94. Then we had a little bit of a pullback here into support. Nothing to be concerned about. Okay, so we have to kind of think about the macro picture, the big picture on what Tesla has pretty much done over the last 30 to 45 days. Okay, realistically, the breakout didn't come over 1,000. Okay, the breakout came, if I just pull up the daily chart here, just to kind of give you guys a bigger idea here. Okay, so this whole sideways consolidation action, Tesla was just slowly grinding higher, grinding higher, grinding higher. This 775.36 was an area I had that I traded previously before. I was looking for a nice pop over there. You can see we kind of touched it one time here, was rejected. And then as soon as we cleared, immediate pullback into the 5 moving average here, consolidated sideways, and then we kind of just rode this 5-day moving average up very, very nicely. Big green day here on the 21st of October, as well as the 22nd, and then we just had this gap and go when we all know Tesla just took out that $1,000 level and just, you know, was an absolute monster. So with that being said, anything that goes up must come down. Does that mean that Tesla's coming all the way back down to $775? Of course not. Could it? Of course it could. But the bigger picture here is what we want to look at is that anytime we have a significant run up like this, Tesla's done phenomenal things. The stock, the multiple price upgrades, the Hertz deal news headline that came out yesterday, a lot of news and information on Tesla. However, we do need to let these moving averages catch up with the stock. We do need to let it pull back in to rising support to kind of test that area to see, is it strong, and then kind of play it going from there. So anytime that happens, anytime we have a big run up like this, you can always expect a pullback and you can make money on both sides of the market. Obviously, when a stock is well trading over the 50-day moving average and the 10, the 20, and the 5, you can't expect to just short this all the way back down to the 50, but you can make areas of opportunity where you can potentially short this into the next demand zone. And right now, that next demand zone is going to be 983 as well as this 940 area, which is the rising 5-day moving average. However, I personally think that Tesla is going to come down here and fill this gap. That would give the 10-day moving average enough time to slowly creep up over this linear regression channel 50. And I could think possibly that Tesla could pull in to 907. I know that sounds very, very drastic for a lot of you guys who are long and want to see the stock go to 1,500, 2,000, so forth and so forth, as do I. I trade Tesla multiple times a month, and I've traded this stock for many, many years now, long as well as short, but I'm also a realist. I also pay attention to the technical levels. So even though I do see Tesla going higher, I do think that we need a little bit of a pullback into the rising support. That first area is going to be this 987. So what I want to keep on watch for tomorrow here is a loss of today's low, 102. If I pull up the hourly time frame here, you can kind of see that we were basing out around this 1,000, 1,005, 1,006 area here, which is the 20-day moving average on the 1-hour time frame. You can see this 1,002 area is going to correlate almost perfectly with this linear regression channel 50. So I could see Tesla pulling into this 1,000 area tomorrow, kind of testing that level again. If Tesla loses that 106, 105 area, there is room to slide. So if you're looking to short Tesla, what we want to do here is, if we take a look at all these candles here, this is all forming a base, forming a level of support. If Tesla loses this 113 and then 107, 106 area, and essentially this linear regression channel 50 that I'm dragging my mouse across, it does have room to the next area of supply or demand, 995. Look to see what it does here at 995. If it does pull in, if it does get a nice bounce, you're going to look for a candle over candle. Pretty much what that means is you're going to look for a green candle surpassing the red candle. You're going to use the entry candle low as your stop, so forth and so forth. If you have any questions on any of that, visit my website, Evolution Traders. I kind of show you guys in depth how exactly that I trade. But any close below 995, 993 on Tesla, I could see coming back down here into this 977 area. This would be a good area. The 50 EMA as well as the 50 SMA, which is 965. This would be a phenomenal place for Tesla to pull into, test this support, trade sideways, and then make that next leg higher. That'd be about a 40% retracement on this big run up move all the way down here from 854 all the way to 1094. That's going to be about a 30 to 40% retracement. Excellent, healthy pullback. So even if we get that pullback, guys, nothing wrong. Okay, nothing wrong. Tesla can pull in another 50 points and still be phenomenal, still be extremely, extremely bullish. I hope that helps, guys. Do me a favor, share this video, subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, help monetize my channel. I put a lot of work and effort into this channel. I'd like to see it get out to more people. What's going to help me with that is you guys smashing that like button, sharing this video, commenting, so forth and so forth. Also, if you're looking to be a part of my Discord community, I have a free as well as a paid section. That link is down in the description box below, as well as my website in the box below as well. And until next time, I will see you guys all on the next video.